Hello everyone, this is Isne and welcome all of you to Code Learning. Guys, in this video, we will create a header section with background image. As you can see, in left side, this is our logo, and in right side, list items, and in center, title and button. If you will hover on button, then you can see some effects as you can see. So now let's create it. Let's go to our editor. Here you can see I have created a folder named header image, and inside this folder I have created another folder named video file and two files, index.html and style.css. Now let's go to index.html file. Here you can see links. This link is for external CSS. Here you can see this file, and this one is for icon. Now let's create. I'm taking a div with ID name header section. Inside it I'm taking nav tag. Inside now I'm taking a div with class name logo. Inside this div tag I'm taking anchor tag for logo. Icon. For icon I'm using font awesome. Now let's see. Here you can see after this div I'm taking UL tag. Inside UL I'm taking li tag, anchor tag and text home. Now copy this list item and paste. Now change list text and last one is contact us. Now let's see. So here you can see after this now I'm taking div tag with class name content. Inside it I'm taking h1 tag and text, and after h1 I'm taking anchor tag for button, class btn and text. Now let's see. Now I will style it. Go to CSS file, anchor tag, text decoration none. Now I will target nav tag with 100%. Display flex. Now here you can see justify content space between. Now here you can see space between logo and list items. Align items center. Padding 18 pixel from top, 7% from right, 0 from bottom and 7% from left. Now here you can see cursor pointer. Now I will target logo, font size 40 pixel, and now I will target list item, list style none, display inline, margin from left 30 pixel. Now I will target list text, letter spacing 2 pixel, font size 16 pixel, font weight 600. Now go to HTML file, copy this ID name, paste here, background RGBA with 100%. Now go to HTML file, copy this class name, go to CSS file, paste here, display flex, justify content center, align item center, flex direction column, height 100 bh, color white. Now give here color, copy this color and paste here. Now I will target h1 tag, font size 70 pixel with 50%. Now I will target button, class name btn, color white, border 2 pixel solid white, padding 14 pixel from top and bottom, 43 pixel from left and right, border radius 20 pixel, text align center, font size 18 pixel, font weight 600, letter spacing 2 pixel, 30 pixel, overflow hidden, position relative, z index 1. Now let's see. Give here text align center. Now go to HTML file. I am taking here span tag. Now go to CSS file. Target here span tag with 0. Position absolute, background color white, left 0, height 100%, bottom 0, z index -1, transition 0.3 second, e.g. border radius 20 pixel. If you will hover on button, then you will see some effect with 100%. Button hover, color black. Now let's see. Now let's go to HTML file. I am taking here video tag, autoplay, loop, muted, plays inline and class backclip srs. Give here video file path and type video mp4. Now copy this class name, go to CSS file, paste your class name, position absolute, right 0, bottom 0, z index -1. Now let's see output. Remove this. So our header section is completed with background video. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.